Hi, Hefty here, 492W, talking about Project 2 here. This is a weekly CPD discussion board where we're going to go ahead and share some research and then look at ways to apply each other's information to our business design. Key point, this is 24% of your total grade. So along with the online quizzes, this makes up for half of your overall grade. Very important. There's 12 of these throughout the term, 12 points each. Key points here, you're going to have to use TRI to provide a brief description of the research and then list a reference with it, cite that within the TRI, and then look at one of your peers' research and find ways you can apply that to your business. Again, this is a one and done where you need to have this completed and submitted by 8 a.m. on the due date. There's no late submissions here. If we do have problems, concerns, or situations, then send me an email. Try to be proactive with that, and we can work with you. Again, the goal here is of the discussion is just to share complementary research to the topic that week, and then you're rewarded for doing that, but also then we want to look at our peers' information and ways to apply that. All right, here's the rubric now. You've got two options. Option A, they're both going to follow the same format. Option A, you're going to take that topic for the week and find complementary research from outside sources. Key point here, you cannot use research and references from the textbook. We want outside sources. The other thing that's very important is that we need to have credible sources. Again, Wikipedia, for example, is not, and they need to be non-political. Again, information needs to be specific to the business that you're designing within the health industry. Number one, the first thing you're going to do for 6 points is you need to provide a description of your research then. What it is, why you selected it, and how it applies to your business design or your business area. You must include an in-text citation to the research that you got this information from. Point number two, then, you need to do a proper APA style listing of that reference so that you can use that in future projects, but also then the peers can share that information. You can share that information with your peers and they can use it. Point number three, then, for 4 points, is then you want to go ahead and look at your peers' research discussions and pick one that you like or that you think fits for your business, and tell us what that is, why, and how you could apply it to your business. Note, you can use previous discussions, so it doesn't have to be from just that week. Again, it's finding things that really you think fit and can help your business design. When you do your in-text citation for this, for point number three, you're going to do this as a personal communication back to the student that you got the information from. Okay. Again, do not use replies in the discussion for the peer application. Rather, include it in this overall response as points. One, you're using TRI, your research, then list your reference. Point two for 2 points, and then point number three, you should write out the peer research application that you got. And again, cite this by naming the peer student as a personal communication to finish that off. Now, the other option is you're going to do the same 3 steps. You'll take that topic for the week, but connect it specifically to health law research. And again, if you look in on Canvas with those tools, there's a ton of health law resources and areas I gave you to look and start from there. Again, 12 points for that, 6 for point 1, TRI for your research and application using health law, 2 points then for a proper reference site listing, and then 4 points for any of your peers' information, how you could apply it. Thanks.